Hey guys, welcome to the next code. This is Coder Nick. Let's see how to remove noise from the recorded audio. For this particular tutorial, you will need to have Audacity installed on your system on Windows. If once you have that, the installation download it from the Google, and the installation is quite easy. There are no special things, just next, and finish. That's it. Once you download and install it, open it. Okay. For example, I will use this particular audio to show you how this works. So let me show you the noise. Okay. What I will do is I will just drag and drop this particular audio here. Yeah, so it is successfully imported. Yeah, let's try to play it.
SDK इंस्टॉल होना चाहिए विच इज़ JDK जावा डेवलपमेंट किट, वो इंस्टॉल होना चाहिए सिस्टम पे। उसके बाद ही आप वो जावा के प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं। सो ये जो भी प्रोग्राम है, जैसे कि आप जानते हो कि जावा एक कंपाइल।
So you will notice that some noise is going on in the background, and you will also see that noise in the form of wave here. So let's zoom this. Yeah, so
विच मीन्स कि जो भी प्रोग्राम है, जैसे कि आप जानते हो कि जावा।
yeah, okay.
The next code.
For example, this particular thing, this is noise. Let's see how to remove that. Okay, you will also notice that the noise has been removed from this audio in the form of waveforms also. Okay, so select that particular area where you have not spoken and just the noise is there. Okay, select that. After go click on effect, then you inside that you will find noise reduction. Here you will see that the first step is getting the noise profile. So click on get noise profile. Basically it will detect that this is the noise. Okay, after that just select this particular audio file by clicking Control A. Okay, after selecting entire file, again go to the effect and click on noise reduction, and here you can play with noise reduction, decibel sensitivity and frequency smoothing, but I am going to keep it in the default way and going to click on OK. So what it will do is it will apply that profile on the entire audio, and just have a look in the audio texture. You will see that the noise, the waveform of noise has been removed, which means the noise is successfully removed. Let's try to play it.
The next code.
Yeah,
Coder from.
you will notice that the audio is better than the previous one, right? Entirely noise has been removed. So that's it, guys. It was this easy to remove the noise from the audio. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any kind of issues or challenges, please comment down this video. I'll try to help. Meet you in the next one. Have fun.